Great morning, everybody. This is author of upcoming New York Times best-selling book about increasing your mind span titled How to Die of Nothing, as well as the glyphosate guy, Danny Zen, coming to you live from my kitchen here in South Florida. Listen up very, very quickly. I just want to go over some winter cooking methods tips. Okay, I was going to, what I got here is some Alaskan salmon, okay? I was going to put it in my toaster oven, but then I realized that actually in the winter months it is more drying, so we're more dehydrated, tend to be more dehydrated in the winter months actually, okay? Less humidity. So I decided to go ahead and steam my salmon instead, okay? And I remember reading in a book over almost 20 years ago about how different cooking methods have, more or less heat and obviously more or less moisture. So steaming obviously is going to be more moisturizing than dry convection oven, but it won't be obviously as moist as if I had like maybe put it in a stew, but I didn't want to do so much dishes, so I just put it and I decided to steam it, and again because it's more hydrating. Okay, so just a a very, very short winter tip cooking method video, and there's other ways. I think, pan frying or sauteing it would be less moist than steaming. Okay? But anyways, I hope this helps you guys out so you can stay healthy and hydrated this winter drying season, especially since we got a drought here in South Florida. And then lastly, I just want to go over briefly. I just got off the phone and I'm happy to confirm that the folks there at greenpasture.org, which makes some amazing ancestral nutrition products, such as this very high vitamin A and D content, as well as omega-3 essential fatty acids. And this is made by the greenpasture.org, of which I am an affiliate. They just confirmed that to get 1 teaspoon of the liquid gel version, you'll have to take 10 capsules, okay? This is their fermented skate liver oil, which is like a boneless cartilage fish, or stingray, in the stingray family. Okay, so if you want to get the 10,000 international units of vitamin A, that's preformed retinol version of vitamin A, you'll need to take 10 capsules, which is I have the capsules version, okay? And of course, they also have the fermented cod liver oil. So 10 capsules will equal approximately 1 teaspoon. And so that will get you your also 1 to 10,000 international units of real vitamin D3, okay, for this winter month, since ultraviolet B is usually less strong, unless you're at the equator, okay? So anyways, that's it, guys. Thanks for your kind time and attention. Be sure to visit the links in the description below this video for some other health and life-saving information, products, okay? Take care. Bye-bye.